Welcome back to Primetime Sports Wednesday. Now, Jamaica maintained hopes of a second-round berth at the CONCACAF Under-17 Championship following a crucial 3-1 win over El Salvador this afternoon.
Following Sunday's 5-0 thrashing by the United States, the young Reggae boys went into Wednesday's contest knowing only a win would keep their World Cup hopes alive. And they were on the front foot when Ricardo McIntosh benefited from a defensive mix-up in the 18th minute to slot the Jamaicans into the lead. The Jamaicans held the lead at the break, but on 53 minutes, an infringement by Jamoy Topi led to a penalty which Ronald Cerritos expertly put away for 1-1. And the Jamaicans were in further trouble when Calwayne Allen saw red for a second bookable offence in the 64th minute. At that stage, it seemed the Andrew Edwards coached side was swimming against the tide. But they were handed a lifeline, a penalty, which Kaheem Paris poked home after an initial save in the 84th minute. And in a frantic last few moments, the Jamaicans extended their lead from another dead ball situation. Paris rifling home the country's third and his second from a free kick. 3-1 it ended for the boys, who now have 3 points, which gives them a mathematical chance of advancing going into the final group game against Mexico on Saturday. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.
The United States moved to the top of the group on 6 points after edging Mexico 4-3 a short while ago. Mexico with a +5 goal difference remains second in the group, while Jamaica with a -3 goal difference is third in the group.